a brisa vem do mar, eu no teu olhar, uma estrela no céu, sinto.
Okay, so now we are on the way to the airport after leaving my mother's friend's house that we'd be staying at, and they're very kind to let us stay. And yeah. So now, Mama, where are we going? Mama?
Hotel airport journey. We are going to airport and then hotel.
Okay. Anyways, that's actually all correct. We're going there. We're gonna meet up with the rest of the entire squadron from Toronto so we can spread chaos in this city. Time to get the Chaos Emeralds from Sonic. That's a Sonic reference. It's a Sonic reference, if you couldn't tell. Dr. Eggman being played by Jim Carrey in the brand new Sonic the Hedgehog movie produced by...
Oh, I look so bad! Give this to us!
Where they have all arrived, the entire army of Pakistan, to Calgary. We're gonna go explore the hotel now.
Yeah, I wanna go explore.
I'll explore something else. Oh my god, dude.
They did. That's why they don't have
Your room is much bigger than ours. Our room's sick.
We're gonna go exploring.
Hey, wait up. I get to wear winter clothes in July and I'm so happy right now. Dude, did you have a key, man?
I don't.
Oh my god.
I left my key inside.
It worked.
Eu no teu olhar, uma estrela no céu, sinto teu desejo a querer o teu beijo e na lua uma lua de mel, de mel, de mel.
Hey, I think I can open it.
Oh, yeah.
I think you can open it too. That's never gonna work, man.
He's calling me. Yo, they're getting in the car right now. Yeah, they're getting in the car.
Don't worry, guys. No lifeguard on duty? Nice try. I've completed my training. I just haven't recertified for 2 years, so. Open this one. This is the key room right here.
I haven't gone to the gym all week.
Astaghfirullah. Ali, go pull a 50. Where?
I look like fat.
There's no 50, is there?
There's 50. Do it.
You know,
Do it, Ali.
I'm gonna stick with my 30s.
Do it.
No. Oh. Oh.
Now do another one. Do another one. Oh, come on. Now do another one without swinging. That's better. Ah, yes. Liquid.
Yes, but it's in a cone.
Hey, bro, we're gonna hit the gym tonight?
Yeah.
Let's go tonight. Have you been going?
Yeah, man. It's the one thing I've been doing. Fellas, this is how you actually work out. Low weight, high rep count. Good workout. What is this degenerate up to? Oh, he's living life on the edge. Oh, he let a spin. That's game. I challenge you, Conor McGregor, to fight Ali Saeed right here, right now. Come to Calgary, Hampton Inn, fight him.
Well, they're gonna see this after, though.
Damn, not even the Flash could dream of this. Oh crap, my battery's dying. Parkour!
When it comes up, I'll read all of them, okay? Okay. You start thinking gay Muslims are okay in society. Loving gays, going to college.
Guys, that's so good!
Being a gay Muslim is something different.
Wait. Loving gays, going to coffee shops, finding men in different countries, and then getting drugged. What? Why is that accurate?
Oh my god. Being a gay Muslim social justice warrior.
Having fun size and taking good pics. Thanks.
Get up, man. Dude, get up, man.
I'm not trying to have Mr. Mosby kick my ass.
Get on. Dude, he's right there. Get on.
Yo, stop, he's looking. You idiot. We have arrived at their house without the parents because we're cool like that and we don't need parental supervision and guidance. Hey guys, how are you guys feeling about Calgary?
Oh, I hate it here.
Oh, so it's been how long since we got here that we were waiting for a
Actually,
shark?
we were supposed to be here at 6.
Sharks here. But that time.
I don't know. Okay, it's not even you. All the adults took 50 years to. Yeah, that's why I said it. Anyways,
Saying it's a battery thing?
Sin, you're a battery tank. Oh.